This is a page from my tutorial website that talks about tables. When you have content that can be labeled with a logical header, it's fine to put it into a table. So when you click the table button, this particular tutorial is using CK Editor in Drupal, you get a table properties dialog. Here you're going to want to change the default width to a percentage of the space the table will be in, and also assign a header. This is the default. It says headers are none. You want to make sure that you choose first row or first column or both. So for my example, I chose first row. Here I've changed the width to a %. Here I'm using a caption. Captions may or may not be rendered visually after you publish the page, but it is for the screen reader as well as the summary. If you have a long table with a lot of data and multiple tables on the page, it's nice to use the summary for the screen readers so that they will know which table they are in at the moment. The rest of this tutorial goes on to describe styling a table, and it took some effort. By the end, I was able to get a striped table every other row like this. Now, if you're in another content management system and tables are not available out of the box, so you will need to install some sort of a plugin. I have a test for training table set in here. And even in this kind of layout, you choose that the first row is a table header. And then when that gets placed into the post with a short code, it'll look like this.